In this video, I want to show everyone how to use the AutoJoin function to retrieve the information we want from a database. In the previous video, I introduced the left AutoJoin and the right AutoJoin functions to you. I showed everyone how to use the left AutoJoin to retrieve all customers' information, regardless whether a customer has or hasn't placed an order on our e-commerce website. Suppose we want to use the customers table and the customer orders table to perform this analysis. Do you still remember how to write such a script? Let's have a quick review. Let's go to MySQL workbench and then create a new SQL script and then type in use MySite, semicolon. In the new line, I want to type in select and asterisk and then from. I want to type in customers and then I want to type in left AutoJoin customer orders and then the keyword on. I want to use the cust ID to connect these two tables. So I want to type in customers dot cust ID equals to customer orders dot cust ID, then semicolon. Let's run the analysis script. This is the current result, right? We can show all customers' information, regardless whether the customer has or has not placed an order. Now the e-commerce website manager raises a new analysis task. He's only interested in the customer's ID, name, if the customer has not placed an order on our website. What should we do? Do you still remember how to locate a particular data record in a database? Yes, we should use the where clause. Let's type in the where clause. After the keyword where, we should type in the search criteria so that the software can find the information we are looking for. In this case, what criteria should we use? The e-commerce website manager just wants to know the customer's information if they have not placed any order. If you look at the current full data records, if a customer has not placed any order, then all columns related to products should have a value null, as you can see here. Null is a computer science way of saying empty nothing. This provides a very useful clue for us to continue the script. We can tell the where clause that as long as any of these columns has a value null, that means the customer hasn't placed any order. Retrieve the customer's information for me. Let me use product name as an example. After the keyword where, I want to type in product name is null. As long as product name has a value null, that means the customer has not placed an order. That's the information I'm looking for. Retrieve the customer's data records for me. This is what the product name is null means. Let's run this script and take a look at the result. Now you can see the data records only show the customers who have not placed any order. If you want to simplify the report, you just want to show the customers' names and the product name is null, then you can modify the selected part. Let's remove the asterisk and then type in cust first name, comma, cust last name, comma. Let's add the product name into the final report. Let's click the lightning bolt. Now you can see we can show the customer's first name, last name. We also show product name as null. We want to tell the report user that these customers are customers who have not placed any order. This is an example of using AutoJoin to perform data analysis. Some people may have a question. You just showed me how to use AutoJoin to answer this question in the old database. what if I want to run the analysis in the new database? As we mentioned in the previous lecture, in the new design, we made some changes on the orders table. We call this new order table Orders Plus. In Orders Plus, instead of recording product name and price over and over again, we just create a new column called Pro ID. We use these ID numbers to represent what products the customers just ordered. What if I want to use the new design to find out which customers have not placed any order? How about let's just run the left order join between customers table and Orders Plus. Let's see what's going to happen. Let's go to MySQL Workbench and then create a new SQL script. Let's type in use MySite. In the new line, let's type in select an asterisk from customers left order join Orders Plus. I want to use cast ID between the two tables to connect them. So I want, after the keyword on, I want to type in customers dot cast ID equals to Orders Plus dot cast ID semicolon. Let's click the lightning bolt. As you can see, we can still show all customers' information regardless a customer has or has not placed the order by using the new design. But in the new report, we don't have a column called the product name anymore. We do have some other columns like order ID, cast ID, pro ID, quant. They are still equal to no if a customer has not placed the order. So we can use these key features to still find out which customer has not placed the order. We just add the where clause. After the keyword where, we can use any of these columns as I selected, order ID, cast ID, pro ID, quant, any of these columns. If the column has no as a value, that means the customer has not placed the order. Then we want the software to retrieve that customer's information back to the final report. Let's use order ID as an example. Let's just type in order ID is no. I'm only interested in the customer's information if his or her order ID is no. This is what the where clause means. Let's run the analysis. Then you can see we can retrieve the customer's information if they don't place the order on the website. If you want to simplify the report, you just want to show the customer's name and then order ID, you can remove the asterisk and then type in cast first name, comma, cast last name, comma, order ID. And then let's run the analysis. You still get the same answer. This is how you run the analysis in the new design.